Hello, good evening. I'm making this video after a very long time. बहुत दिनों बाद एक वीडियो बनाने का मन किया. I'm sure many of you must be very stressed right now, those who are actively in the market. The purpose of making this video is that मैं अपना views आपके साथ कुछ share करूं. If we share each other's view, I hope that we can learn each other and we can हम शायद इस मुश्किल के वक्त में एक दूसरे का साथ दें तो बेहतर रहेगा. मेरा जो मॉडल मैं हमेशा शेयर करता था आप लोगों के साथ, जिस पे मैं थोड़ा बहुत ट्रेड कभी कवर करता था, बट मोस्टली मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करता था, वो था कि निफ्टी में मैं कोई एल्गो चलाता था एंड मेनली मैं व्यू बनाता था यूजिंग द रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ इंडेक्स. अब मैंने उसमें कुछ एडिशंस किया है जो कि मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. जैसे मैंने अपना एक सुपर ट्रेंड इंडिकेटर है उसको ऐड किया है एंड दिस सुपर ट्रेंड इंडिकेटर जो है वो मेरा जो डेली चार्ट पे रन हो रहा है मैं उसको 2.5 कर दूंगा. एटीआर जो वोलेटिलिटी मेजर है फैक्टर को मैं 2.5 कर दूंगा. थोड़ा माउस फ्लिकर कर रहा है, जस्ट 1 सेकेंड. ये मेरा ये इसका कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है, आप लोग 10-3 भी रख सकते हैं. सो सुपर ट्रेंड अभी नेगेटिव है, सो दैट इज क्लियरली इंडिकेटिंग द बियरिश पैटर्न. यहाँ पे मेरा जो आरएस मॉडल था उसमें मैं 40-60 को फॉलो करता था, यहाँ 40 के नीचे है अभी. दैट मीन्स क्लियरली इट इज द अदर वे व्हाट हैपेंड इन अक्टूबर. एक वक्त अक्टूबर में 80 के पास या 80 के ऊपर था इफ यू सी सितंबर अक्टूबर पीरियड में, और अभी 40 के नीचे है. इट इज जस्ट द मिरर इमेज ऑफ व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग. इट वाज एन एक्सट्रीम बुल फेज, नाउ इट इज एन एक्सट्रीम बियर फेज. नाउ यू सी हियर जे हाउ फार इट कैन गो डाउन, वेल वी डोंट नो. यहाँ पे देखिए जो 31 है उसको उस लेवल पे अगर हम जाए तो लेट्स ड्रॉ ए हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ओवर हियर. So we see the last time this level was breached, it was in September 20 and उससे पहले जो मार्च में क्रैश हुआ था. मुझे लगता है कि RSI में 32 लेवल शुड बी ए गुड 32 to 28 लेवल, 28-29 लेवल शुड बी ए गुड सपोर्ट RSI में. एंड यहाँ पे अगर हम ब्रेकआउट्स चेक करें तो ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल था 15,200 एंड यहाँ पे हमें जो ब्रेकआउट मिला था दैट वाज अराउंड 15,900. सो मुझे लगता है कि रिट्रेसमेंट में शायद ये 15,900, 16,200 इस लेवल तक आ सकता है गिवन द करंट मोमेंटम ऑफ सेलिंग. बट देन व्हाट इज टू बी डन? आई थिंक एट दिस स्टेज प्लीज डू नॉट गो फॉर डेरिवेटिव्स. इस वक्त मैं फ्यूचर्स या इवन ऑप्शंस को मैं टच नहीं कर रहा हूँ. आई थिंक देयर इज अ टाइम फॉर एवरीथिंग. दिस इज ए गुड टाइम टू लुक फॉर बाय सम क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स फॉर फ्यूचर इन द कैश मार्केट, नॉट इन डेरिवेटिव मार्केट, स्पेशली इफ यू हैव ए लो कैपिटल. क्यों? मैं 1 मिनट दिखाता हूँ आपको. आई हैव ए रीजनेबली सक्सेसफुल एल्गोरिथम जो कि बहुत छोटा टाइम फ्रेम बेस्ड है. जस्ट मैं दिखा रहा हूँ एक कारण के लिए, नॉट टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट दिस एल्गोरिथम. इफ यू लुक एट द ओवरव्यू, इट्स अ रीजनेबली सक्सेसफुल एल्गोरिथम. द लिस्ट ऑफ ट्रेड इफ यू सी इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 21, मतलब इसी साल के डेटा के ऊपर फरवरी से अगर स्टार्ट किया जाए, देन ओवरव्यू में अगर हम जाएंगे तो इट इज गिविंग मी around 1,56,000 profit with an average of for roughly 450 per trade. But इस time पे I will not advise any such strategies because unnecessarily this strategy, because there is so much high volatility right now. You see, these are money you will lose unnecessarily in this trade, and then when the time comes you will not have adequate margin. I am talking about people with generally 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs capital max, people who have very high capital, who can risk, who have high risk appetite. For them such algorithms is not a big deal, they can run with one or two lots. But then for people like us who have limited resources, I think it is a better and meaningful and to stay away from these kind of strategies right now, and just look to build your portfolio. This is a great time to build portfolio, and so I'll just remove it from here. Okay, so now while on the relative strength chart on a daily basis it's looking weak, the chart is also, super trend is also negative. If you see, this is a 3 moving averages I have plotted, 21, 55 and 100. 21 is below the 55, that is indicating everything looks very bearish. But interestingly, let us go to the broader picture in the monthly chart. You see, in the monthly chart it is contrasting. The 21 is firmly above 55, 55 is above 100, and there is a mere retracement from the intense run that we had starting from the month of March 2020 up to this October. We had a non-stop rally almost on a monthly basis. Forget about the weekly or daily fluctuations. Month to month basis we had a fantastic rally. From there we have having a kind of more than 10% correction from the peak. Okay, so on daily closing basis that is all right. Okay, but if you look at the RSI, the conventional RSI, it is firmly above 60 and it is 68, and I think it has been very good. The poison is out. RSI on monthly chart at 80 was looking very alarming. So now there is I have a theory that if in any stock or in any or any instrument that you are trading using RSI monthly chart में अगर वो 70 के आसपास है, so that is a very strong indicator. So I am not suggesting that you should go and buy it, go long or do anything stupid tomorrow. But the fact is that this is not a bear market. Okay, as long as on monthly chart this index is strong, we cannot say that it has entered a bearish phase. Rather, it is a correction that was long due. अब जो भी कारण हो, I don't know why these FIIs are selling like crazy people. Anyway, so this is an opportunity for us to buy some quality stocks that we always wanted to buy. And just to end this video on a positive note, just look at some of the top IT stocks. Infosys futures. Just look at this. This is just skyrocketing even now, right? On the monthly chart, RSI is 84, and even if I am going on the daily chart, it's a very strong chart. It's even on daily it is close to 60, and today I purchased some RSI shares from Infosys shares for my future savings, like just like a fixed deposit. I am not an opinion giver on stock. I don't give stock recommendations. It is just an example that I wanted to share. So this is one stock that is very strong even in this market. Similarly, there are other IT stocks you can check out. Now let us look at a stock that is weak. Bajaj Finserv. I'm a big fan of this stock, and I have been looking for a long time to buy this stock. An opportunity now. On the daily chart, it is looking very weak, right? Similar to the Nifty. The 21 is below the 50, and it is just looking like the Nifty, and it is below 40. So now you see this has there has been a deep correction here. Let me draw a horizontal line. These are some stocks that I like. You may or may not like it. Now similar here the RSI pattern is also similar. So it has undergone a significant correction. So let us look at the monthly chart. But monthly chart again you see it is close to 70. It was overheated on the monthly chart at 80 is very overheated, but here you look at the kind of moving averages. It is 21 month of moving average. The RSI is positive, the super trend is positive, and it is even above the moving average. So this is very strong on a monthly chart. So RSI 14 अगर monthly chart में 70 के पास है, and if you see the price is above the 21 DMA, 21 I should not say DMA, 21 monthly moving average, then it's a very strong counter. It is just undergoing a correction because it has run up very sharply. If you see on the daily chart, it had gone to dizzying levels, right? Time to do to remove this. See, it had gone to 18,900, almost 19,000 levels. So from there it has been almost 4,000 rupees correction. So this is a great opportunity that one can perhaps think of buying in small quantities, just like an SIP. Again, I am not an opinion giver on stocks. Please do your own research, and this is for educational purpose only. And so what I am only suggesting is that now this is it's a rare opportunity that has come on our way thanks to this crazy FIIs कि हम लोग कुछ शेयर खरीद सकते हैं जो हम लोग बहुत दिनों से खरीदना शायद चाह रहे थे. So I hope this video can take some of the panic away. So on monthly charts there is nothing alarming. In fact, there was correction was overdue in many of the counters, and on the Nifty itself वो करेक्शन हो गया है. 200-300 पॉइंट और नीचे गिर सकता है. That is something beyond our control, and there is panic. So on every rise people will look to short. But my humble request is that हर चीज का एक टाइम होता है. जैसे 18,500 पे अगर किसी ने खरीदा है, obviously that is his or her decision, and it was not a very wise decision. Now at this level if anybody is planning to short, वो शायद उनको 200-300 पॉइंट नीचे मिल जाएगा कुछ प्रॉफिट, लेकिन इन द लॉन्ग रन आई थिंक it may not prove very fruitful. Rather अभी पोर्टफोलियो बिल्ड करने का टाइम है. एटलीस्ट मैं तो यही करूंगा. I don't give any financial recommendation. This is just my views. I always like to share my views because I believe together we are stronger than each one of us, and together we can do wonders if we share each other and learn from each other experience. Thank you.